Hello, my name is Derek, and today I'm going to be teaching you about how to create a chamfer on a part in SolidFace. So as you can see, I have a little 2.5-inch square cube that I've created. If I navigate up to my top toolbar, I can see the chamfer tool right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I got a couple different options. I got edge, face, and propagate tangent. I also have reverse chamfer. Alright, so we can see here that we have two different types of chamfers that we can do. Alright, so the most common chamfers that you will see on, let's say, a blueprint of some kind, some type of ANSI spec drawing, will be a distance over angle. So we'll say it's a 0.25 distance by 45 degree angle chamfer. I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to identify the face or the edge that I want to. So I'm going to go ahead, actually I'm going to unselect propagate tangent. I'm going to go ahead and select this line, hit OK, and green check. As you can see, my 0.25 45 degree chamfer is created. So I'm going to go ahead and select the chamfer tool again, and this time I'm going to do a distance chamfer. So what that means is that if for some reason your part called out, or your print called out a distance of, let's say, 0.2 wide or deep onto the face of the part by 0.1, you could create that type of chamfer here. So I'm going to hit apply, and I'm going to hit this edge right here. I'm going to hit OK and green check. And now we can see that I have a much steeper angled chamfer that is 0.1 deep, or excuse me, yeah, 0.1 deep and 0.2 negative in Z off of the face of the part. And that is how you create a chamfer and the two types of chamfers in SolidFace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to these videos if you want to stay in the know. Thanks for watching.